Who made
That's
this meme?
hilarious.
That's me. I made that one.
That's good.
Having to live without my cat or partner, getting rid of both, and buying a fucking ferret.
Dude, wild fun fact: ferrets are illegal in California.
Mm-hmm.
Illegal.
Illegal?
Illegal. Yeah.
Yeah.
Illegal. You cannot legally have a ferret.
Guess
Yeah.
we can add moving to Nevada to that meme.
I will be so happy if a ferret just like climbs up on Jared's shoulder like right now. Like just sneaks up.
Come, Tanooki. Come to talk to the people. Tanooki, come. Tanooki doesn't want to come out right now.